think, Seamus? That's very brave of you.
See?
Yeah.
You want to do another handful?
I did.
All right, let's
You do?
it.
Yeah. He's getting very adventurous these days.
Here we go. Put your hand right down by the ground. So they can get it. See? Stay real still. Real still. And then they'll come over and take it from your hand. See, she wants to. Yeah, see, she wants to have some. See?
Seamus, that's really good.
There you go. You'll take it right from your hand.
Look at that, Seamus. What do you think?
See? They love scratch. This is their treat. They love their treat.
I love the tree.
They do.
That's a good job,
There
Seamus.
you go. There
Wow, you got a whole bunch of chickens
Oh,
now.
you got all new friends. See that? You want to give them another handful? You can do one more.
That's very good, Seamus. Good job. He kind of likes this.
Hold your hand out flat. That's it. And stay real.
What do you think, Donovan? Hmm?
See? They love their treats. I'll put my hand over here by yours. That way they can take it from both of us. See? Take turns. One from you, one from me.
They just bite them.
Yeah.
All right, now we'll throw a little out there for them. Okay? You want to throw one handful out? Go ahead.
Good job.
All right.
Good job, Seamus.
Come on, let's look
All
for
right.
eggs.
Good job.
Two more. Yeah, I got two in there. Let's look in this one and see if there's any. Usually they just lay in there now. Nope, that's it. Just two more. We got four earlier. So you got two more good ones. Oh, those are
That's good.
beauties.
We got two more.
So we got
All
two
right.
more. And the chickies got to have a treat from you, and you got to
That's
eat them.
good job, Seamus. Don't drop those now, okay? Don't drop those.
There we go.
Be very careful with them.
Okay. Now they're all busy eating their scratch off the ground, see?
What do you think, Donovan?
They
You looking at those chickens?
Okay, close her up.
All right.
Good job.
Thanks, Uncle Paul.
Good job.
We got two left.
We got, oh,
Yeah.
you gotta go show Kathy. She'll love them.
All right, Donovan, you ready to come in?
I'm gonna put the bag away.
Okay, so let's go this way. All righty. Yeah, here. Daddy, open the door. Here you go. Go on in.
How'd we do?
Yes, show Kathy.
Too good. Very, very good.
Yeah, good job, Seamus. What do you think?
That's
Was that fun, Seamus? Yeah.